anything? She was like, anything. Anything. First of all, I thank God for this blessing. I never knew that I'd rap for a girl like you. Ever since the day that I started rapping, a whole lot has changed since it came into my life. And girl, you took my heart, and I can blame me for that. Anything that you want, baby, holla at your boy. I can be your lover, your friend, your homie. Anything you want, you can get it for free, cause I got it. Let me take you around the world, take you to places you've never been. Introduce you to my mom, and I'll do anything to make you smile. Yeah, cause she got me so high, like the clouds up in the sky. Together we better, no matter the weather, the sun, and the shine forever. But as long as we're together, we can shine forever. You're like a shooting star. If I had one wish, that would be you. If you never die and I come back and still be my lover, on to eternity. And yes, I'm in love with my baby. She must be the reason God made me. That's it. God bless you, my lady.
Promise to be there anytime you call. Promise I will catch you anytime you fall. I'd give anything you need, girl. Anything you wish, girl. Just hold on to me. I'd give anything. I'd give anything. I'd give